back to my channel. My name is Amber B if you're new, and first and foremost, as you can see, I'm in a different background, okay? It's a little messy back there, excuse that, but I am in the new house. If you're new to my channel, I just bought a new home with my fiance and super excited. If you haven't watched any of those videos, you know, about our journey, I have them all in the playlist, don't worry. So either go down below in the description box or just click the tag up here, okay? And you guys can watch all the videos, binge them there. But you guys already know, okay, what's about to happen, what's coming. Like, I'm so excited and so re-inspired to just really just do some more decor and obviously organization, because my house right now is a mess, you guys, because I honestly just, it's been a week and it's been a whirlwind, to be honest. Like, it's been crazy. So I'm just now really kind of getting my mind together and in the mind state to really just organize and go decorating and all that good stuff, which, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be taking you guys with me to HomeGoods. So hopefully we'll find some stuff. I actually went to HomeGoods yesterday. I went to another one and I didn't really find anything. So I decided, you know what? Maybe if I document it today, maybe I'll find something. So anyway, I'm gonna document it, good or bad, if I find anything or not. Anyway, let's go to HomeGoods and see what we can find. Anybody else ever look at the HomeGoods snacks? Like, they always look pretty interesting. They're always like super healthy too. They have the little cute little pedestals. And I already have one in my house, but I got one in my cart so I can try it out in my house to see if I like this one better. I think this is so cute. This is a footstool. I don't know where I would put this in my house, but it's cute. That's only $25. All right, hey guys. So I just left HomeGoods and it was so-so. I got a couple things I'll show you guys when I get home. It wasn't really, I don't know, I never really know what to expect with HomeGoods. It's always like a hit or miss. So you're either gonna get really lucky and find almost everything you want or more, or you're just not gonna find anything. You're like, what is going on? Honestly, I just really been going into HomeGoods and different like stores just to get inspired. I know that sounds crazy, but I don't really have like a purpose right now. I'm just going in to kind of get inspired. I do want to get the kitchen together because the kitchen is the main place I'm going to be, and so I definitely want to get that together as soon as possible, and like the breakfast nook. So I guess you can say I'm kind of looking for those things. Those are like my priority, but for the most part I'm going in to get inspiration for other areas in the home. And yeah, it's been really iffy, but I think it's kind of like that right now, obviously, because I'm still trying to get like my main furniture pieces. So right now I am going to be ordering soon my entire, like all my furniture for my bedroom. So a new bed, we're doing new nightstands, new like dresser, and all that good stuff. So I think once I have those pieces upstairs as well, and then also just like the main pieces like the breakfast nook table, the chairs for that, and then even like our formal dining room, and once we have our sofa, which isn't coming until October, then I probably can get a little bit more inspired to get more kind of like decor pieces, which is what I feel like HomeGoods is. But you can get some really cute furniture too from HomeGoods. So that's why I go in there, honestly, to get inspired with no type of like intentions on anything, to be honest. Right now, I actually pulled up to At Home because there's one in my area. So I'm like, let me just go slide over here and see. There's one thing in particular that I do want from At Home, and there's this like dough bowl that I really want for the kitchen. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I want to use the dough bowl for like fruits in the kitchen. I just think it would be such a vibe. So trying to look for something like that, and we'll see. I feel like At Home will have it because they have some really nice like unique bowls and just like unique like decor items. So I'm going to go in here, try to see if I can find a dough bowl. Then I do want to look at some of their like breakfast nook tables and chairs and things like that, because I am in the market for a breakfast nook. But I did want to tell you guys and show you guys also too, in regards to HomeGoods, I forgot to tell you guys, they actually have an app, which I did not know. One of my good friends told me about the app, and if you download the app, I'll put a screenshot on the screen, or a screen record rather, but if you download the app, you can see when new items are in your area or has been delivered, or really are on the floor in your area at that HomeGoods. So I thought that was pretty cool, especially if you're looking for like particular pieces at HomeGoods. You can essentially go on the app and see if it's there. So anyway, I'm gonna run into At Home now. So let's go. So something like this, but not, I don't like this in there, the stone. I mean, I think that's pretty cool and unique, but definitely not really my vibe. You guys, look at this dough bowl. Oh gosh, it's so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get up there. Wow, this is cute. This is like a little darker, maybe a little too white, but it's beautiful. It's $54, which is honestly on trend, these dough bowls, because they're really expensive. So all right, hey guys, I am back from the store. So I only went to HomeGoods and At Home. I did go to Target, but there's not really anything decor-wise that I found there, so I'm not gonna include anything from Target in this haul today. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from HomeGoods. And sorry if it sounds a little echoey in here. I am in my kitchen / living room area because it's all an open concept. So it sounds really echoey because I have no furniture. But this is like the most decent place in my house to film right now since we are still getting settled. But I want to show you guys what I got. So first things first, I absolutely love this. And it is this kind of like little pedestal stand. And so the idea for this is to put like your soap, your, you know, maybe like a cute little sponge or whatever like that on this. Just something that is like really aesthetically pleasing. I actually have one already that I purchased. But I don't know, I really like the aesthetic of this one a bit better. I don't know, it's kind of hard because I do like the other one a lot too. It has a lot of character and it has like really cute design. I'm actually gonna put like a little B-roll clip so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But the only thing about this is the size. Now that I'm seeing it in my space, it is a little small. So I definitely would want something a bit bigger, and I think they did have bigger options, but they were a little taller, which I was like, I don't want it to be that tall. So anyway, I'm gonna probably maybe go back and see, get the bigger version of this, and then just see how I feel about the bigger version of this versus the one I already have, and then make a decision there. So the kitchen is gonna be, you know, trial and error, but I really love this. I think this is so cute and super aesthetically pleasing. So definitely a good find. And this one is not that exciting. I actually got some micro fiber cloths at HomeGoods. They usually have like some really like neat like cleaning supplies and things there. So got that there because I really like in desperate need of some really good like cleaning cloths. So check, got that at HomeGoods. So if you're, you know, in the market or you're always looking for like cleaning cloths or whatever, definitely check them out. They have a lot of like cool like, I don't know, just different like cleaning gadgets and things in their cleaning section, so check that out. And then on the same kind of vibe of like cleaning, so as you guys know, I have quartz countertops, which I'm finding right now, like I love the aesthetic, but it's not super high maintenance, but it stains easily, and especially because I have a white quartz. So I definitely want something to like essentially like protect it, but also give it a nice shine, and really kind of get up any of the stains, like if I have any stains on the countertop itself. So I got this cleaner, which is Wayman, I think, is that how you pronounce it? Wayman? I don't really know, it's in the back. Wayman, I think that's it. But anyway, this is a pretty popular brand. They sell it like in Target and Walmart, and I actually used to buy this brand to clean like my fridge because it was stainless steel in my apartment. So I typically like their products. I have not tried this, so I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. I, again, just want something that is going to like clean it and give it a nice shine and just really keep up the countertops over time, because this is gonna, even though it's not super high maintenance like granite, it's just gonna really like, I really just wanna make sure I take really great care of it so it can stand the test of time. All right, so next I got these bath mats, which I think these are so cute. I just wanted something super simple and more of a cotton feel. So I got 2 of these. I'm gonna put one in my bathroom as well, and then the other one in the secondary bathroom. I really like these. I think these are really nice. They're really great quality. I like how they feel. They're really soft. And they were only $16.99, so I think that is pretty great for this type of quality bath mat. So I really love that. All right, so the next things I got from HomeGoods are rugs. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick how they look on the floor, because I need your help deciding which rug I wanna keep, okay? So this is the first rug. It's more of like a neutral tone rug, which I kind of like. So as you can see with the gray and the neutral tone, it is kind of picking up a little, some hints of yellow. I don't know, is it just me? Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of it. But I just wanted a nice little like runner rug that I could have in the kitchen. So here's option number 1, so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. All right, let me show you option number 2. So option number 2, I can't really straighten it out that much, but as you can see, it's way too big for the space. I, did not read the size. I'm realizing now that I have it home that it is a bit big for this space, and I'm looking for more of a runner rug, but I think that it is a really cute design. So I'll keep my eyes peeled out. So let me know if you guys like option 1. I think option 1 is okay, but it may not be exactly what I'm looking for. I definitely want something a bit more darker. So let me know what you think in the comments below. All right guys, so as I showed you, those 2 rugs, I don't know, I'm leaning towards the brown one, but I still don't like love the brown one. So I'll let it sit for a couple days. I'm looking for more of a runner rug, so I may take that back and just keep looking. I'm not gonna try to rush it. And then of course I went to At Home, and as you guys saw in the previous clip, I was looking for a dough bowl. I thought I found one, but I ended up putting it back and I really wasn't in love with it. To be honest, the whitewashed one was really, really nice. But again, I wanted something a little bit darker, so I'm gonna keep searching and see if I can find one. Honestly, I'm not in a huge rush. I wanna get things that I really, really love. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.